Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Robinhood debit card. Now step 1 is just open the Robinhood application in your mobile phone, and once you have opened the application you will be at the home page. So make sure that you have verified your identity. As you can see that my identity is not verified, so make sure to give them all the information. Make sure to verify your identity. As you can see, just click on continue, fill out all the information, and it will take might a few weeks or a week to verify the information. And once your identity is verified, after that you can just click on the card type option, which is just on the left side of the profile. Just click on this card option and you will be sent to this option, which is called Robinhood credit debit card or golden card. So you can just click on reserve your spot, and once you click on reserve your spot, that is how you can edit your Robinhood debit card. Now they will send you a physical card. It might take to 1 to 2 weeks to send you the information. So make sure to send you the card. So make sure to wait for it and fill out all the information if any of the information is needed. And once you have the physical card, you can just activate it through the in this section, the card section. So you will be able to activate it through the application. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get Robinhood debit card and activate it as well. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.